many opportunities in this beautiful country. The real estate taxes are almost invisible. The property rental taxes are very, very low. Buying property down there is much cheaper. Well, not cheap, but much cheaper than that buying in Florida on the water. I sell mainly waterfront, whether it be on the lagoon or the ocean.
So let's talk about two things. One, you talked about the short-term rentals. So short-term rentals there, where we're speaking about, they can do a short-term rental, they get a return on their investment, potentially. We can never tell you you're going to get a return on your investment. But for an investment there that we said is about $1,000, or $1,000 here, it's about $1,000 there. That's about what it is right now. Is that a comparison?
Depending on your location, yes, that's a relative comparison. If you're buying a condo, it's generally in a property management pool where they do all the work. If you're buying a home, you're best to put it in like a VRBO or an Airbnb situation, which is very, very strong down here. Rules in Belize are a lot less stringent than whether you be in Florida, Texas, or other parts of the country right now. And the prices they're getting on a 3-bedroom, 3-bath or a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, very comparable to almost Florida-like prices.